as he spake by the mouth of his holy prophets, which have been since the world began, that we should be saved from our enemies and from the hand of all that hate us. Behold, the days come, saith the Most High, that I will raise unto David a righteous branch, and a king shall reign and prosper, and shall execute judgment and justice in the earth. Therefore fear thou not, O my servant Jacob, saith the Most High, neither be dismayed, O Israel. For lo, I will save thee from afar, and thy seed from the land of their captivity. And Jacob shall return, and shall be in rest, and be quiet, and none shall make him afraid. 70 weeks are determined upon thy people and upon thy holy city, to finish the transgression, and to make an end of sins, and to make reconciliation for iniquity, and to bring in everlasting righteousness, and to seal up the vision and prophecy, and to anoint the most holy, whom the heaven must receive until the times of restitution of all things, which the Most High hath spoken by the mouth of all his holy prophets since the world began, which he had promised afore by his prophets in the holy scriptures. The Most High will save his people, the children of Israel, the tribes from their enemies. Also read for the list of our enemies. Now therefore, behold, the cry of the children of Israel is come unto me. And I have also seen the oppression wherewith the Egyptians oppressed them. Come now therefore, and I will send thee unto Pharaoh, that thou mayest bring forth my people, the children of Israel, out of Egypt. He sent Moses his servant, and Aaron whom he had chosen. For I brought thee up out of the land of Egypt, and redeemed thee out of the house of servants. And I sent before thee Moses, Aaron, and Miriam. In Exodus verse the Most High tells Moses to go unto Pharaoh, and tell him to let the children of Israel, the tribes, to go. The Most High said, my people. That's how special and holy the chosen people are. Ye are the salt of the earth. But if the salt have lost his savour, wherewith shall it be salted? It is thenceforth good for nothing, but to be cast out, and to be trodden under foot of men. Ye are the light of the world. A city that is set on an hill cannot be hid. But the path of the just is as the shining light, that shineth more and more unto the perfect day. For the same cause also do ye joy, and rejoice with me. We are the salt of the world, the so-called black man, and the rest of the tribes. We are the ones that give the world flavor. We are great at anything we do, like playing sports and entertainment. We are the best at what we do. That's why it says we are the salt of the world. We give everything we do flavor. And thou shalt say unto Pharaoh, thus saith the Most High, Israel is my son, even my firstborn. And I say unto thee, let my son go, that he may serve me. And if thou refuse to let him go, behold, I will slay thy son, even thy firstborn. When Israel was a child, then I loved him, and called my son out of Egypt. Who are Israelites, to whom pertaineth the adoption, and the glory, and the covenants, and the giving of the law, and the service of the Most High, and the promises. Whose are the fathers, and of whom as concerning the flesh Christ came, who is over all, the Most High, blessed forever. Amen. And will be a father unto you, and ye shall be my sons and daughters, saith the Most High Almighty. They shall come with weeping, and with supplications will I lead them. I will cause them to walk by the rivers of waters in a straight way, wherein they shall not stumble. For I am a father to Israel, and Ephraim is my firstborn. Of his own will begat he us with the word of truth, that we should be a kind of firstfruits of his creatures. The Most High instructs Moses to say, Israel is my son, even my firstborn. And I say unto thee, let my son go, that he may serve me. The Father loves his people so much that we are his sons and daughters, and he wanted our forefathers to be free so that we may come and serve him. That's love for your children. But I have said unto you, ye shall inherit their land, and I will give it unto you to possess it, a land that floweth with milk and honey. I am the Most High your power, which have separated you from other people. Ye shall therefore put difference between clean beasts and unclean, and between unclean fowls and clean. And ye shall not make your souls abominable by beast, or by fowl, or by any manner of living thing that creepeth on the ground, which I have separated from you as unclean. And ye shall be holy unto me, for I the Most High am holy, and have severed you from other people, that ye should be mine. And I have said, I will bring you up out of the affliction of Egypt unto the land of the Canaanites, and the Hittites, and the Amorites, and the Perizzites, and the Hivites, and the Jebusites, unto a land flowing with milk and honey,